Hi Lee, this is a problem I have found with your device. As you see, when I press the button, nothing happens. Besides, when I press any button, it's just because of the speaker, which sound comes through, but here's the link. But nothing through the headphone. Then I plug it off. I plug in the original one. As you see, when I press the button, you can see I can make any call, and besides, when I press buttons, just the sound comes through the headphone. I hope it's clear for you now. Thank you.